In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your Soul Reaper outfit in Project Mugetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly reroll your outfit or clothes in Project Mugetsu. So I'm gonna show you two main methods. For the first one, press M if you are on keyboard and mouse, and you will be able to access the shop, or just tap on the shop icon if you are using a mobile device and you are playing there. In here on the shop, you will be able to find Reroll Raise Clothes Potion. Now, obviously, this costs Robux, and I know some people don't want to spend Robux inside of the game, but if you do have Robux to spare and you just want a quick solution to this, you will be able to spend 125 Robux to reroll your clothes. This is going to apply to any race, and all that you have to do is click here to purchase. You can also be gifted this specific potion, or you can gift it to someone else. Now, there is also a solution where you will be able to acquire this potion for free by just playing. So to find this alternative option, you have to go over to the game hub. When you switch over to the game hub, one of the options here at the bottom left is titled Hogyu Conquest. If you access this mode, you will be able to click ready and you will be teleported to the actual game mode where it takes place. Now, you can browse around this lobby, and there are various different stands here. Now, all that you have to do is find the Reroll Potion stand, and this one besides it is titled the Reroll Raise Clothes Potion. So it is literally the same potion that you can find on the shop, but this time you can purchase it for game mode currency. If you interact with it, this is what they have to say. Would you like to buy a Reroll Raise Clothes Potion for 200 game mode currency or 100 for the Urahara family? If you do have 200 game mode currency, you will be able to get this potion and of course reroll the race clothes. Now, for you to actually get game mode currency, as you can see displayed here at the right side of the screen, you have to purchase this potion, game mode currency potion. Every time you drink one of these, you will get one game mode currency, and if you interact with it, it's going to tell you that you have to use 100 points that you get by playing the game mode. So essentially, for 100 points, you get one game mode currency. Since you need 200 game mode currency, you will need 200 times 100, which should be 20,000, and then you will be able to acquire that potion to reroll your clothes. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your Soul Reaper outfit in Project Mugetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.